Hi YouTube. Obviously it is winter in Wisconsin. And a few days ago I did a Hammer 1275 upgrade on the Harley here. It's a 1994 883 Hugger with brand new 1275 cylinders and pistons installed. I kept the original heads, kept the cams. It's just the vanilla upgrade. The first 3 heat cycles went fine. There was no smoke, no noticeable knocking, no noise. But on this last heat cycle I did this morning, I heard a knock, and I'm hoping it's just a rocker pin up on top. But I'll crank it up and please let me know what you think. Okay. There. It's awful cold. I don't know how well the battery's going to do it. Hold on, I just got to put the phone down someplace. There. It is definitely cold out.